Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through the process of selling your Solana Sol coins using the Phantom wallet. So now let's get started. So first, Phantom wallet doesn't support direct fiat withdrawals. To cash out your Sol, transfer it to a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Qcoin. To do this, open your Phantom wallet and select Solana. Click send and enter the recipient wallet address from your exchange account. Now confirm the transaction to transfer your SOL to the exchange. So next, once your SOL arrives in the exchange account, you can sell it for your preferred fiat currency. So log into your exchange account and navigate to the trading section. Select SOL and choose sell, specifying the amount and fiat currency. Execute the trade to convert your SOL to fiat. Now next, after converting SOL to fiat, withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. To do this, go to the withdrawal section of your exchange account, enter the withdrawal amount, and select your bank account. Confirm the withdrawal to transfer funds to your bank. And that is how you sell Solana coins using the Phantom wallet. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.